I'ma show you how I wanna live it. I'ma show you how I wanna live it. Tryna ball game, no scrimmage. Crack the code, it's getting old. When I die, I hope they bury me in gold.
What's the tea, y'all? It's your girl Capri and welcome back to my channel. I have been so busy lately, so I haven't been able to make the content that I want to make, but I am at least making content because I said I'm going to stay consistent with this. So today's video is going to be just a simple review on this brand slash this hair. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I am not as thrilled with it as I normally am. This is usually the hair that I'm telling people, like, get this hair. It is everything. It lasts, it looks realistic, yada yada yada. And now mind you, it does look pretty realistic, but it's just not holding up the way it usually does. I don't know if it's the way that I put it in because I was focused on recording and trying to do my first video, or if it's just, you know, a new way that they're doing the hair, because it does seem a little different than the normal. But that's neither here nor there. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into a review. So if you want to know about this hair and how it's holding up, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm just gonna be short, sweet, and to the point with it. Just a quick little review, pros and cons of the actual hair. Now, I'm not gonna lie, normally I'm the biggest advocate for this brand, but this time around, y'all, I don't know what it is, but I'm not feeling it. There's just a lot that's going wrong that doesn't normally happen with this hair, and I'm high-key shooketh because, like, get this brand, it costs this much, you can get it at any beauty supply store, and it lasts for this long. But this time around, y'all, I don't know. Normally, I never have any issues with my braids coming out with the method that I do, and other people are like, well, when I try that method, my hair comes out. And I'm like, no, normally with this hair, I've never had that issue with my hair coming out. People are asking me, are those your real dreads? And I'm like, no, they're crochet. But this time around, my little braids are coming out of the front, and I'm not digging that because I'm the one telling you it's a seamless look, but them is some seams right there. So that's con number one. Con number two, for whatever reason, this time around they are looking real fuzzy. Also not digging that. So obviously with $5 hair of any kind, you're gonna get fuzzy. But normally I'm like 3 or 4 weeks in before my hair starts getting fuzzy. So I'm shooketh. So that's con number two. Something else, this happens normally, and it's been something that I've been able to deal with, but obviously if it's a problem that you would have and not want to deal with, something to keep in mind, these do stick together. As you can see, my hands got stuck in there. So if you try to pick up one, you're gonna end up picking up several because, well, now I'm trying to prove the point. It's kind of like when your chair makes a fart noise or something and you're like, it was the chair, I swear to God. But then the chair don't make the noise no more, so everybody thinks you farted. Okay, here we go. So I'm trying to pick up one dread and several are coming with it because there's little hairs that get caught in here. I think you can even see this one sort of on camera, probably not. But they get stuck together. I'm not a super fan. It doesn't look clumpy, so that's why I've been able to deal with it. And if you just run your fingers through it and break through those, then you're fine. But it does get worse as time goes on with your hair. So something else that I have an issue with, I've never had problems with my hair showing through my braids, showing through the dread itself. And this time around, that's also happening. They're coming out of here. I truly don't know if I got a bad batch of hair or what, but I'm about ready to take them down. I'm sad about it, y'all. Those are pretty much all the cons that I have. Those are enough cons to make me want to take the hair down. If these are things that you can deal with, and that's fine. I know even this looks better than a lot of people who I've seen around. So, and that's all tea, no shade. So so don't take it personal if you're rocking crochet locks right now and you feel like, you know, I'm coming for you if the shoe fits, baby girl. But anywho, so that's really all the cons I have. As far as pros, it does still look pretty seamless. It's not stuff that is unbearable. My hair still looks fine. There's nobody who's come up to me like, Capri, oh my God, what's going on? Are you going through it? Do you need $1? It is stuff that I'm like, this is not up to the caliber, this is not up to the quality that I'm used to slaying, you know? So if I'm gonna be educating y'all on how to slay that I need to be slaying myself. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and take it down soon. It does still look pretty realistic, so I'm not super upset with it, but I'm just used to better. So really that's all I have to say about it. I wanted to give y'all a quick review before I did take it down, but this means that my next video is probably gonna be a wig try on haul. I'm so excited, y'all, because I haven't worn my wigs in months because I've been wearing my protective styles, but I kind of miss them. I have like 20 plus wigs in my closet that I need to dust off and show you guys, because I have so many wigs that I got for super cheap. I don't have a single wig that was over like $60. Most of them were $25 to $40 a piece back when I had money, but I have a lot of them, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out and show you how I slay all my different wigs. So be on the lookout for that video. I am trying to post at least once a week, if not more, if I have the time to do so. So thank you so much again for coming back and viewing my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Every little bit of support counts. Friends and family, if y'all can share this video for me so that I can get a little bit more exposure outside of my own network, that will be, again, muchos gracias. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay shady. Okay. Pulp. The pulp. The pulp. Hi. It's just a pulp. It's just a pulp.
I'ma show you how I wanna live it. I'ma show you how I wanna live it. Tryna ball game, no scrimmage. Crack the code, it's getting old. When I die, I hope they bury me in gold.